Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mia Yurka here, and we are back with another video. I know it's been a while, but I am back. Your girl has been extremely busy. I have been extremely busy, and now I am back, and I'm back with some great news for you guys. Before I start with this video today, I would like to thank all of you that have been watching my videos, that have been sharing my videos, that have been supporting me. Thank you. Mwah, mwah. You guys know I love you guys dearly. If this is your first time on my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Click on the notification bell for future videos, and while you're here, you might as well go ahead and check out my previous videos, okay? To my subscribers, thank you. I love you, and let's get to the video. Guys, I have to fix this. All right, so we are back. So before I even start with the announcements, I would like to say once again thank you to all my supporters, to all my subscribers. Thank you for liking my videos, sharing my videos, watching my videos, because if it wasn't for you guys, I probably would have given up on doing YouTube videos. It's something that you have to have the mindset of doing it for like a long term, have a long-term goal for it and not a short-term goal. But eventually, guys, I know I will get there eventually. So thank you so much. We are currently at 1,600 subscribers. Yay! We have about 32,000 views on the channel. With that being said, I think that the content that I'm creating are getting out there. So thank you for sharing my videos, thank you for watching them, and thank you for liking them. All right, what is going on with Mia Yurka and this channel? I decided to rebrand my channel because should I say that first? No, I decided to rebrand my channel because I have a surprise for you guys at the end. Well, it's more for me, but you know, I like to share my stuff with you guys, so I will let you know what the surprise is. But my channel will be rebranding, okay? What's going to stay on my channel? Like all my hair tutorials are gonna stay, my makeup tutorials gonna stay, my cooking videos gonna stay, and I'm still gonna do videos on those subjects as well because I love doing these things. I love doing my hair, I love doing my makeup. I love cooking, so I'm always gonna have videos on that. And please, if you have any videos that you would like for me to do for you, especially when it comes to Haitian cuisine, I am not a chef, okay? I am not a chef, but if you don't know how to do certain things and you are craving it, or your loved one will love to eat something, you don't know how to do it, just reach out and I can do a video for you, and I can send it to you either privately or I can share it on the channel as well. That way others can partake in that experience, okay? So all those videos, guys, my previous videos gonna stay on the channel. What's going to be new about my channel is that I have a lot of you guys that have been supporting me, and I want to bring some content to the platform that will be helpful to some of you guys. For example, I know a lot of my followers will like to start their own YouTube channel, which is very excited if you guys decided to do that. It's a great opportunity. If you shy, it will help you, you know, break out of your character, come outside of your shell, It's a great thing to start. It's fun. I'm gonna be talking more about how to start your YouTube channel, things that you need to look out for as a YouTuber, and so on and so forth. So I want to start bringing things like that on my channel for you guys. That way, you know, like it can be an easy process for you. I know there is a lot of those videos out there, but for my subscribers, I'm gonna try to be like more details, and I will also incorporate my experience into those videos. That way it can be more personal for you guys. Okay, you're gonna have like a personal touch. I don't know if that makes sense. All right, so we have content about YouTube video, how to start your channel, how to grow your channel, what you know to focus on before you start a YouTube channel, and so on and so forth. The next things, the next topic, the next announcement that I would like to share with you guys, and I am super excited because your girl is starting her own business. Yes, I am super excited about that. I am working on that, and I am still working on a lot of stuff. When it comes to it, I'm still working on the website, but I already have my business name, I already have my brand, I have my logo and all those things. But that's something that you guys are going to see on my channel as well. I will be sharing some of those information for you. My business is gonna be about home staging. You guys will see some of those videos on my channel as well. Okay, with that being said, while I'm here, if you are looking for someone to help you redecorating your home, if you're selling your home and you need a home stager, if you're buying a new home and you need somebody to help you with choosing furnitures for your home, for me, that's something that I'm passionate about. That is something that is fun for me to do. Feel free to reach out. Okay, my website is already up. I will put my website in the link below, that way you can go ahead and check out my website. I already start doing some services for friends and family. So because my business is not up and running yet, I haven't started doing any promotional work for it yet, but I just would like to share with you guys. That way you can have an idea that your girl is in business as a home stager. Okay, and my business name is called Miami Home Staging Design. Okay, and I am the CEO and owner of my business. I wanted to share that with you. You will be seeing some information about that on my channel. Okay, most definitely about home staging, and whenever I get like a client and I'm doing their home, you're guys gonna see before and after and stuff like that, if they give me the permission to do so. All right, also, since I am starting my own business and everything like that, when I was starting the business, well, I'm still in the process, I had like a lot of questions, and some of the questions that I was looking on YouTube, I couldn't really find details, things on how to do stuff, especially if you're in the state of Florida. So as I was doing my working on my business, building my business, there were some stuff that I feel will be beneficial for some of you guys that are thinking about becoming an entrepreneur as well. So I will have information about how to start your own business, and maybe like little videos, mini videos on how to apply for your EIN number and stuff like that on the channel, how to register your name of your business. I'll try to have those mini videos for you guys as well. That way, if you decided to start your business, you will have those information on hand. Okay, this is all I have for you guys today. Like I said, this video was not going to be like a long ass video. It's just like more like an announcement of what's coming up with my channel, or the fact that I am gonna be rebranding my channel. So my current banner that I have on my homepage I'll be working on something new for that as well. So keep an eye out for that. And thank you so much for watching my videos, like always, and I will see you guys pretty soon in my next video. I love you guys. Mwah. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.